Today, we usher in a new phase of economic opportunity for every Filipino. In May of 2025, this year, I signed into law the Capital Markets Efficiency Promotion Act, or CMEPA. This timely and strategic tax reform redefines and transforms how Filipinos invest, build, and grow their hard-earned savings. But beyond revenue, CMEPA reinforces confidence. It shows that our financial system is becoming more equitable and structured for long-term stability. Ours, the small business owner, the young professional, the overseas Filipino worker, to start investing their hard-earned money to build a better future. That every ring from this morning and every day, trading day thereafter, echo our strength, our optimism, our shared hope for a more prosperous future for all Filipinos.
Yeah, the CMEPA law is a law that will boost our capital markets. Maraming laman po itong CMEPA law, no? Pero ang pinaka-importanting portion nitong CMEPA law ay yung pagbaba ng tinatawag nating stock transaction tax from 0.6% to 0.1%. Ito po ay napaka-importante kasi this will really boost liquidity in the markets, no? Makakatulong to sa lahat ng kumpanya. Mga malalaking kumpanya, mga medium-size, pati na yung mga small-size companies dahil ang market capitalization nila ay matutulungan. Madadagdagan ng stock transactions, ang liquidity ng markets at yan po talagang hinahanap ng mga lahat ng investors po, both domestic and foreign investors. That's what they look for. No? They look for liquidity in the markets. And this will really help also the ordinary investor, the ordinary person who invests in the stock market. If you look at the stock markets all over Southeast Asia, they're very active. They have a lot of liquidity and a lot of the, investors trade. They call them, in fact, day traders. Dito po wala masyado nun dahil mataas po yung friction costs. Mataas po yung tax every time you buy and sell stocks. So with the CMEPA law, bababa po yung stock transaction tax at I'm very confident that this will really boost investor confidence, investor knowledge, and liquidity in our markets, which is the source of a lot of what we call equity capital of our corporations, companies here in the Philippines. Siyempre po, this law was about 2 years in the making from the time it was first conceived to today. And of course, we will not stop. The administration of PBBM will continue to look for ways and means to boost the economy and to be able to help all our people.